This is Mareva White Flesh Peach in Romansrivier at Woolsley. This will harvest week 47 and 48. This tree is planted on Florigard. It's 10th leaf trees. So the size is very big and the color is very good. You can see there. All is very good size. Good color in the bottom of the tree also. Very little hair on the peach.